So today we are installing, if I can show you, this, the Innovv K5. Totally different from the other one. So the camera's built into the module itself, the control box basically. Normal single cameras before. This is a remote, GPS, and this is your power pack and joiners. It's different from the other one. This is I used to have the K2 on my bike, so I'm just replacing it with the K5 because my K2 packed up. So just going through putting it on. So where I had my camera before, on the back there, I'm putting it back where it was. So I'm just running this, tracing this through here up to the point. I've already got like a ignition live already done, just up to somewhere that's live when your ignition's on. Yeah, and I use these because they're solder joints, so you just heat it up, it solders and joins it and seals it. And I'll do the same on this one. This is my, obviously the red, the live. And then I'm running it through the middle of here, which I've already taken off. This is already loose. Camera's going up the front underneath there. GPS is going here, where I had it last time, right on that bit there. And it worked perfectly. It worked fine. Just set it on this bump there. So next one. So I want to get this rear camera in, and then I can put all this back together and then work on the rest. So that's all back. I've just got to adjust this camera when it's all connected in, just to get the right levels and make sure it's not upside down and things like that. So I've run the cable up through here, and obviously now with this new one, this has got to run right to the front of the vehicle to get to the camera, which is up the front. The camera's up the front now, the connection's up the front, and so my next step is to start running stuff up through here now. So I'm going to do all that now. Wires run all the way around the back, through the seat, up here, up to the top, through the back here. Obviously GPS is here. Remote. So when you switch it, this comes on. So with the old one you couldn't tell whether it was working or not, and my old one just was not working. So this one, as soon as you start it up, well, it takes a couple of seconds, probably 30 seconds before it starts the video, GPS, and then the Wi-Fi. I'll show you in a minute. Camera around the back, around the front rather, it's there. On the other side of this, I can't show you because it's in my garage, but on the other side of this there's a plate where you take the card out, or replace the card, or you know, this is really accessible down here. That's the only thing, if you haven't got somewhere to access, you'd have to keep taking this out and put it back. But for me it's great because it's got two little screws under it, pop it in, but I can get a little screwdriver in there which you get supplied, which is that small. Tiny. Let's focus, right, that's it. And it's kind of, yeah, it's the other side, but it's like a little plate. So far I haven't taken it for a test yet, but I've checked it 5 or 6 times, left it a few days, come back, checked it, fine. Uploading is quite easy. Just go to the program. It's a different program from the other one. It's a different app, hopefully better. And this has a microphone as well. You can use it for vlogging if you want, apparently. I've actually stuck mine down here for the engine noise, so it's hidden in there. I can actually pop it out if I want to. Just lift the seat. It's long enough cable to clip it into my helmet if I need to. There's a little clip on it that just like crocodile clip like that, and that just clips into your helmet, and you can vlog with it as well if you need to. Quite a good idea if you're a vlogger, I suppose, but I haven't tried that out. I will upload some clips to see how it goes and show you eventually. The weather's not great at the moment. We're still in lockdown, so I'm trying to wait until the warmer weather. I know, true biker and all that goes out in the weathers. I normally do. With lockdown on, it's, you know, a bit different. Anyway, put the switch it on. You shouldn't see anything yet. It will come on in a minute. You don't need to start the bike. And a couple of things. See that? See the camera starts flashing. Then the GPS. Eventually you'll get the Wi-Fi come up. There. Then you connect it to your Wi-Fi on your phone. It's got its own Innovv Wi-Fi. If you wanted to, you can, as far as I know, it can only be used for camera. So you click this twice and it takes a camera picture. It will take a photograph, incident or something like that. There must be other uses for it. I haven't come across them, but I'll let you know if I do. So you can just, you know, anything happens, go boom, boom, boom. 2 light clicks, like that. It takes a photo and loads it to your phone. It's quite easy. It took me how much did it take? Probably about a couple of hours to put it all in. I've cable tied everything up, but I did have to take all the, you know, like you saw the other side of this all off and put it all back, because that took the time. Running it up through here was easy. Cable tying it up. It's all quite nice and neat down here. This is my USB cable, but they're all tidied up. Nice neat little job. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later and watch my other videos. Yeah, thumbs up, subscribe.